You know, the other day I was out there to the shopping mall, out there at the Greenwood Mall, and there was this big fat lady out there. And she was trying on this shirt, trying on a Mickey Mouse shirt. And all at once this lady was so huge and so big, next thing I know I saw something go. Her fat started popping out of the shirt. And one of the ladies was walking that helps. She said, "Hey, miss, I have something that I have to tell you." She said, "Do you have a shirt to fit me?" The lady said, "Ma'am, if we don't have a shirt over that aisle, we don't have a shirt at all." She was huge, a big, big lady. You can't believe it, how huge she was. She was bigger than my great-great-grandmother. Some people try to tell, when someone's trying to lose weight, they say, like, "Stop eating." What kind of jive is that? They're not trying to help a person to quit losing weight. They trying to kill the person. And after these persons done sat back and done work themselves and eating that granola bar and everybody else is sitting back eating pizza and hamburgers and this and that, person done suffered, and someone come up to him and say, "Oh, you look so nice." People say some weird suggestions. They shouldn't tell nobody to stop eating. They should say, in order to maintain and in order to lose weight, stop eating this kind of food. People believe them too, and they like to kill them. Some guy over in Japan supposed to be trying to invent a new kind of pill called birth control pills for men. I was listening to him on the news the other day. He said reason why he's doing it because so many ladies is having babies and so many mans are getting ladies pregnant. He's trying to invent a pill to keep mans from getting ladies pregnant. So, guys, we in trouble. We in big trouble. I was thinking about Jimmy Baker. Everybody knows Jimmy Baker and what he has done. Well, he was in the news the other day, and they said they gave him 20 years in the state penitentiary, which he should have got more than that, what he did. I feel sorry for Tammy, knowing Tammy's probably crying her eyes out and everything over him for something he did. He didn't get to enjoy money very long.